All right, so here we are with the VHS tape. This is a commonly used media. You've probably seen it before. What we want to do today is digitize this with our DIY memory lab. So this video is going to be for people who are using the DIY memory lab to digitize tapes like this, as well as the Elgato software that we include here at the memory lab. So I'm going to put it in to the VHS tape deck, which is a spot right here. That's going to look good. Now if I need to rewind to the beginning of the tape, I'm going to turn this jog wheel to the left, and that's going to start it rewinding. You can see the counter going down, which is great. I don't want to go too far today, so I'll press stop. Over on our computer screen, we have a chance to name the movie for when we save it. I'm just going to call this Ireland Trip. Don't need to worry about the length of time necessarily. Here's a chance where we can sort of test our video to make sure everything's working correctly. So I'll go back over to the VCR deck and press play. Great, I got a video. I'll go ahead and push continue. The audio is working as well. Continue again. Here's a chance where I can press start recording. So once I press that, we're making a video file that's going to live in our movies folder, which is right down here. So yeah, now you have a chance to just sit back and watch your video. You can turn the volume up or down with that knob there. Great. So we're done. We sat through our whole video. I'm going to go ahead and press stop recording. Here's where we have a chance to trim our video. If we're interested in doing that, we can move these sliders either in from the left to kind of cut off a little bit of time at the beginning or the end. We don't necessarily recommend doing that unless you know what you're doing and really need to do that. So I'm going to press continue. I'm going to press quit. Down here in movies, there's my Ireland trip, that MP4. And now it's on the computer. Digitize. Thanks.